Many small content creators think that for you to start earning on YouTube, you need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is true, but it is only true for Google AdSense. There are a lot of ways that you can start earning on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers. And this is because those 200 views, 300 views, 400 views you are getting, those are not just numbers. Behind those views are real human beings with real money, and they are willing to give out this money if they are convinced to do so. So, depending on how you are able to convince those people watching your videos, they can pay you without you hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So, in this video, I'm going to list 6 ways that you can start earning on YouTube without hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So let's get into the video. So the first way you can start earning on YouTube without hitting 1,000 subscribers is through what is called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product or services. And when somebody buys this product or apply for these services through your unique link called affiliate link, you earn a commission. For example, let's use Amazon store. For example, when you go to Amazon, you apply to be an affiliate. So once you are accepted, then you can get the unique link of the product you want to promote. Then you make a video about it. And when people buy that product through that link, you earn a commission. So let's assume that you are a student and you made a video about laptops for students. So once you're accepted by Amazon to be an affiliate, so you can go to Amazon, get your affiliate link for the laptops you'll be mentioning in your video. So when you make the videos about those laptops, then in your description, you can add the links to those laptops. So when somebody comes, watch your video and goes to the description and click on any of the affiliate link and somehow buys this product, you earn a commission. So let's assume that Amazon gives 5% commission and the laptop costs around $600. 5% of $600 is $30. So the $30 is your money. So imagine you are this student who made this video and this video got 1,000 views. And out of that 1,000 views, 20 people bought through your affiliate link. When you multiply it, 30 times 20, that is $600. And that is just yours. And you can do this without hitting 1,000 subscribers because you are getting views. Now, the second way you can start earning on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers is through what we call selling of digital products. These digital products include things like ebook, online course, or templates. Here, for example, if you are a graphic designer, you can create a course where you teach people how to become a graphic designer, and you can put this course on a website and direct people to it. So when people watch your videos and feel like they want to learn from you, you can direct them to this place and they'll buy this course and you earn money. Also, people sell ebooks in the finance niche. Finance YouTubers sell what we call budget planner. They use software like Excel to create a budget planner. So when people who are interested in finance content, when they watch the video on how to budget money, so the finance YouTuber can direct them to get this ebook, this budget planner. Maybe they will sell it for $5, $1. So it's small, but when a lot of people buy it, that's when you have a lot of money. Now, the third way you can start earning on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers is through what we call service. So service here is when you use your skill to help people solve problems. So let's say, for example, you're also a graphic designer. Somebody might not want to learn how to be a graphic designer. Maybe he wants you to design something for him. So you can put your contact details and the person can reach out to you and you offer the person graphic design service, even video editing. Yeah, so somebody might not want to learn how to video edit. He wants you to help him video edit a video. You can put your contacts and they reach out to you and you help them edit their video and they pay you. It's simple. You can do this without hitting 1,000 subscribers because you're actually getting views and those views are real human beings. They are not just numbers. And the next way you can start earning on YouTube without hitting 1,000 subscribers is through what we call crowdfunding, or in short, fan support. So this is when your loyal fans, when they love your content very well and they feel like supporting you directly. So some might send you money, some might send you gift. And this is one of the ways I used to make a little bit of money because I have a channel that is not up to 1,000 subscribers. So I've not yet monetized. But through this means somebody donated money to me. And so the way you do this is you can go to website like buymecoffee.com or patreon.com, sign up, create an account there. Then you share this link to your account to your subscribers. Maybe you can put it in your description or in the about section of your YouTube. And so anybody who feels like supporting you directly can do so using that link. Now, the next way you can start earning on YouTube without hitting 1,000 subscribers is through what we call brand deals and sponsorships. Yes, small channels get brand deals. They also get sponsorship. And this is because the way you are a small YouTuber, there are also brands that are small, brands that are upcoming. And since they are still upcoming, they'll be targeting small YouTubers because they don't have the huge amount of money to go for big content creators. So if you notice that you are getting consistent views, like 200 views, 300 views, 400 views, 500 views per video, you can reach out to brands yourself and ask them for brand deals and sponsorship. Yeah, just that the thing here is that some of them might not give you cash. Some might give you free products for you to review. So, but as time goes on, as you continue growing, maybe they will start paying you, or maybe you meet other brands that will be willing to pay you cash. And now, the sixth way or the final way I'll be talking about in this video, how you can start earning on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers, is through what we call selling of merchandise. This is when you sell customized t-shirts, cap, bangle, yeah, like you sell items to your subscribers. So maybe you put your channel logo or a phrase that is common with your subscribers. You put it on a t-shirt or on a cap and sell it. Maybe for cooking YouTubers, maybe apron. Yeah, they can put their logo on their apron and sell it to their subscribers. And yes, more content creators can sell merchandise. And this is because there are services that have come in place to make this selling of merchandise very easy. And this service is called print on demand services. It means that everything will start when a customer order for a purchase. You don't need to have the shirt or cap in stock. No. So there are services. So these services, they have everything with them. So you just have to create an account with them. And when somebody buys or orders any of your products, then everything will go through them. Everything like the customer service, the t-shirt, the printing, everything, it will pass through them. You get paid and they will receive maybe their own commission. So small content creators can also do this because you don't need to buy clothes or some of these things in stock. Now, these services will help you with everything. This is just to tell your subscribers that you have merchandise to sell. Yeah, and you give them the link. Anybody who wants to buy, yeah, buys. And these services help you run the whole thing. Okay, so these are the 6 ways you can start earning on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers. The thing here is that since your channel is not that huge, maybe you might not get that huge amount of money that you might expect or you want to get. But money is money, even if it's $1, even if it's $2. If you are struggling to get 4,000 watch hours, watch this video over here. And if you want to get to 1,000 subscribers, watch this video over here.